Yo, what up, Allie? Put it all on black. It's not a bad not a bad strat. Dude, what a crazy overnight move. Just almost 600 points. Yeah, what up, Deuce? I think we might. I'm watching this right here. Watching this area. If we push back up into like 29,275, 29,280 area, and we fail to actually like hold above it, and we begin to rotate lower, I'm thinking we're going to continue, and this is not going to be the low. A little bit. I'm going to have to be a little more careful today. Anytime we have these really large overnight ranges, it's usually best if I just kind of be careful. I'm expecting the open to be kind of volatile. If we are going to go down, though, I am kind of expecting us to potentially target these lows here to take them out. If we push up, we accept above 275 and we actually hold, and there's continuation of buying pressure, then I'd be looking for us to take London highs. That's all the way up here, though. It's pretty far away. And then I'm watching this area down here to see if there's going to be any type of responsive buying to potentially long it, but the only thing I don't really want to happen right now, or I'm going to be careful to watch for this morning, is like, you know, if we are making this move down, right? I don't want to get caught in a chop where we end up kind of just like whiplashing back and forth down here near the open. It's the third Friday of the month, so it's the third monthly expiration today. Third expiration of the month. So what we probably are watching right now is dealer positioning unwinding as we approach expiration. What up, Choosy? I think today should probably be pretty interesting. Ugh, we're pumping up right now. I'm watching 275. Dude, we're probably going to have a pretty large ATR today. And then today I'm also trading this like small live account. I also have my other live account, but I don't know if I'm going to trade that today. And then I have a funded account that I need to trade. I'm really just trying to focus on this account. I'm trying to win the competition. I'm basically at break even right now. Yeah, what up, Christian? So this 280 area, this 275, 280 area is going to be pretty important for me to determine what I'm actually looking for today. I just want to see what we do here. Are we going to, break through it, hold above it, or are we going to push into it, fail, rotate lower, continue downside pressure? And the more that we are moving up right now pre-market, the closer we're getting to it and the closer we're going to be to it at the open. So we'll see what happens. But I think it's going to be a pretty good indication of what's going to end up playing out. It's a big area too. It's like sitting right in between the two targets. So if we're going to go take the lows, it's pretty far down there. If we're going to pop up and go take London highs, it's pretty high up there. So as long as we don't get pinned or we start compressing, I think there's probably going to be a pretty good opportunity today for a large move. It's just whether or not we're going to be able to be on the right side of it and catch it. It's crazy. We're gonna open literally right at this level. It's insane. It's a huge daily range today. This is like the type of day where like I could be right in direction and then it's just requires like a 300 tick stop, 400 tick stop. And then hopefully I don't get cut out of it. So we open right at this area I'm watching. Basically, I'm trying to see if we're going to hold above 280, 275, or if we're going to rotate again lower. But because we're open, the opening of New York Open is literally like right here. I need to be a little careful. So if we're going to stay below it like this, then I am expecting us to come down to 29,055. I just need to see if there's an area to get into it. It's like, imagine you just chase it right now. It's like, well, you're going to have like a 100-point stop, basically. So we're gonna watch to see how this 5 minutes is gonna close. This is like the decision point for me this morning, this level. Whether we hold below it or push above it, that's a nasty wick. Look at that. Nice. That's a nice entry. Although it looks like it may be coming back to your break even. So if we're going to continue down, we're looking at 29,055. We'll see if there's a type of anywhere that I can try and catch a continuation lower. This is just a very large, this is just a big area. But that's if we hold and close down here. If we end up like making a nasty wick up, I'm gonna have to wait. Because if like if we're gonna create like a whiplashing like range here for a second before we actually go do something, it's like 100 points. So I have to be a little careful. This 5-minute candle was 76 points. This candle was 102 points. This candle immediately opened and pushed 30 points. It's definitely the type of day where you'd probably need to drop size a little bit to keep a proper stop loss. Yeah, Daniel, it's up here. 605 for NQ. Alright, I think I'm gonna have to wait. This is looking kinda... It's looking kinda nasty right here. Even the 1-minute candles are fucking huge. They're like 50 points. Do we have any red folder news today? Does anyone know? I didn't check. Is this stream's lagging? I don't know. Might be your internet. Damn. My ATAS lagged. My ATAS is lagging right now. It's frozen. Bro. My shit froze. Oh wait, it's good now. Froze for a second. Damn, it's like super slow right now. I'm gonna go short right here. And I'm going to try and target 955. Oh, the new 5-minute opened. Uh-oh. I didn't time that right. Whatever. 955. I should have waited for the 5 minutes to open. I didn't know it was gonna open. I still think it's gonna come down. But I took a $50 loss on that. Any suggestion? I have $20 to go past my Apex Evo. Well, you have 20 bucks? You should just, dude, what? This is nasty. You should just, I don't know. It's $20. Just take a trade. Bro, ATAS, ever since they dropped this, hold on. Ever since they dropped this, like, beta version, it's been all fucking laggy. Yo, what up, Dame? Dude, I got cooked on that short. That's fucking... Ugh. Just send it. Yeah, you got $20, dude. Just send it. Use like 4 micros and just go for 10 ticks. I mean, dude, like, let's be real right now. You know what I mean? It's like you have 5-minute candles that are like 100 points. If you literally just put a stop limit, like, to add into momentum, you will catch your 10 ticks. You know what I mean? It'll pretty much happen instantly. Unless you get super lucky and you, or super unlucky, and you just place like a what's it called? a limit order, and you just literally top tick or bottom tick the wrong thing. No, I'm not from the UK, I'm from the US. I'll try one more trade on this small account, and if I take another L, I would be down kind of a good amount, and I'll just have to switch over to a different account. I still think we're gonna go lower, but I just timed the I wasn't paying attention to 5 minute, and I got in at the bottom. Yeah, I'm gonna. Are you gonna trade the? Are you gonna do the Tradeify competition? I am. Yeah, why not? Exactly. Why not? It's free. Dude, that's so nasty. I entered in short down here, big fuck you wick to the top, and then we're gonna go. We're probably going to down here. What a bummer. You don't want to pass your eval? I don't know. I don't know what the rules are with Apex for inactive accounts and how long. Bro, it's $20. You could literally, like, you can literally, you know, catch that pretty easily. Why do I look so Why do I look so chill while trading? What am I supposed what am I supposed to look like? Am I supposed to be like freaking out over all my trades? Oh no, I lost the trade. Oh, I won a trade. I don't know. I do this every day. You know, it's kind of like I win, I lose, I win, I lose. It's kind of whatever. Dude, there's so much opportunity with how much these candles are moving. It's just like sketchy. Trading this small live account too, I really don't have a lot of room. With one micro, 25 points is more than 10% of my equity. These little small accounts are really difficult, but I'm determined. You went short down there? Oh, that's nasty, dude. That sucks. Yeah, no, I lose all the time, dude. Actually, recently, I've actually been not doing too well for April and May, but it happens. January, February, and March were pretty decent. And then I just started getting cooked April and May. And then right now, like, I'm kind of just like trading trading this like little small live account for the monthly Robbins Cup competition, but I've just been going back and forth on it. Started with 500 bucks, so we're gonna try and grow it. Like, I think there's gonna be a pretty large directional move here, but I have to be really careful where I try and enter on this account because, you know, again, the ATR is massive right now. I can't go any lower than 1 micro. One trade on this account with a proper stop loss, which is gonna have to be probably like 200 or 300 ticks or something. It could pretty much destroy this account, to be honest. Funded accounts, risk parameters. I don't know. Pretty good rule of thumb is just to have a $500 daily loss limit if you're using a 50K account. That's what I would recommend. But you have to set that for yourself, you know? If you're not actually okay with losing $500, you're not going to listen to that daily loss limit. You're just going to keep trading. But when do I purchase another challenge? When I pass one or blow one? Funded Next is pretty good. I've never really used them, but I haven't really heard bad things about them. Dude, I'm surprised we didn't come down here and take these. We just like rip back up. Now we're stuck in this area. 200 points, dude. Just right here. Right here is just 200 points. The whole thing, and then just this. Sheesh. Bazooka is in Lahore. He lives in Lahore, Pakistan. Yeah. My developers are from Pakistan. They live in Lahore. Yeah. Alright, we're coming back into the 275, 280 area. We're gonna see if we hold it or not. Or we push through it. The only thing that I would hate that I would hate to do today is I tried to short it down here, got wrecked, and then if I, wait for acceptance above this area and we begin to push, I go long and then it snaps back into the range. Sheesh. Yeah, they are. They just calculate them differently. I think realistically Tanuki's calculations are kind of like simplified. Like if you were to go use vol signals or something, right? They're slightly different. Although the the main areas that I look at or that I care for are kind of like they're kind of the same. Although the one thing that Tanuki does that like okay, with Tanuki the way they calculate it is like anything above HVL is positive. Anything below HVL is negative. That's not true. They're like simplifying it. But it's alright. I like it. Honestly, the way that I use it works pretty well for me. Although there are times where you'll have a negative node or you'll have a positive node, you know, below or above HVL, right? It's just what happens. And then all these different platforms have different calculation methods. But usually if you were to look at like, you know, the major levels, they're kind of the same. Although they will line up more often than not. Maybe not every single time, but I'm just kind of like hesitant to trade it in this big ass range, especially on this small live account. We came back up in the 275, 280 area and we were just slamming back down. Nice, choosy. I was thinking about it, but 238, very nice. But what I said earlier this morning, where I said I don't really want, I gotta be careful about us doing one of these, right? It's looking like that's kind of what's happening right now, but we may, whoops. I'm still watching down here. If we're gonna come lower, I want to see us take out 29,055. I just I just don't want to take, I just can't take the same trade twice. I can't lose on it twice. There's nothing that pisses me off more than losing on the same trade twice in a whiplash and then it still goes there anyways. I just got taken out of it. Yeah, the ATR is huge right now. Like, look how big this 5-minute candle is, dude. 148 points. My one micro in this small account currently stands no chance unless I pinpoint an entry. I'm gonna try and do it though. I just gotta wait. It's alright, limitless dreams. You'll be okay. You'll be okay. As long as you don't start tilting and destroying a bunch of accounts. Alright, I'm gonna try short one more time right here. I'm gonna have to put a pretty big stop. The account may get cooked. It's not even a legitimate stop. It would need to be above 280. But I can't risk the whole shit. And then I'm gonna try and aim for 255. This is basically me taking the same trade twice. So if I lose on this one, I gotta move over to a different account. Where's my entry? 200. All right, so let's 170 ticks in profit so far. I'm gonna move this to break even, dude. There's no way I'm gonna let this thing go 200 ticks in profit and then snap back on me. We just need this candle to drop. Or, oh, whoa, what the fuck was that? Alright, we're gonna chill then. Dude, did that even, where did that even go? Bruh. That technically didn't even hit my, oh yeah, it did. It fucking it just ticked it. Yeah, it like barely ticked my break even. Dude, watch this shit drop. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're trying to, NASDAQ is trying to rage bait me right now. It's trying to rage bait me. I swear. I'm not gonna fall for it. Look. That's crazy, dude. Fucking took me out of that, you piece of shit. I don't know. If anybody else took that trade, I hope you didn't get taken out of it, because fucking I did. I could have covered my loss too, but I thought we were gonna just. I still think we're going lower, unless we just. But we're just kind of ranging right now, and it's a massive range too. I don't know. We may have to just wait. Ooh, that's nasty, dude. This is a nasty little area. $238 was your entry, huh? Went down 100 points just to take it all back. That sucks, dude. Yo, did that hit it or no? Choosy. Oh, that sucks, dude. I don't think I'm gonna touch it as long as it's sitting in here. Yo, tick tick, my bad. Or tick by tick, my bad. I haven't been kind of sick this week. But I'm gonna pay attention. I'm gonna pay attention, don't worry. It's pretty cool though, although what is happening right now? Why is it Oh, it's because it's on the 1 hour. Yeah, there's a there's a member of our community. He's in the stream. Tick by Tick. He created a pretty cool indicator for TradingView. If you guys want to check it out, hit him up. Yeah, he created an indicator that, well, I'm not even gonna butcher it. He can explain it to you, but it's pretty cool. It's basically an order flow indicator for TradingView. It's called depth flow. We're back up here again. 275, 280. This may actually be the break right now. If we accept above this, if this big trade gets accepted and not rejected, it could be the break. And then what we'll do is if this holds, we'll mark this. Ooh, we'll mark both of these out for later. If we pull back, I may take an entry long. If we run, pull back, I would be looking for longs in here. If it's successful though, if this fails, then obviously not, but Choosy, you're gonna call it here. Yeah, it's kind of difficult when we're whiplashing that when we're having that large of a whiplash. It held. I could have taken that, but I hesitated on that, honestly. Later, Bazooka. As much as I want to trade this type of volatility, because I do, I think I might not be able to do it. At least on this account. Should we switch over to the other account? So if we're going to hold above this area, then at this point I'd be expecting us to actually make our way up here towards 470 at the first target. Damn. How much would that have been? Almost 100 points already. Very nice. Very nice, Joseph. Ooh. Rocket shorting 350. Are you going for a scalp rocket or are you going to hold it? Is it like a hold type trade? Or are you just scalping it? Nice. Yeah, I just have to... There's a chance I might not even trade anymore. Took one L and one trade that went 50 points in the profit and break even. I gotta wait to see if there's going to be... I mean, there's enough volume and volatility right now that there's plenty of opportunities. It's just... I gotta wait. So I'm kind of just sitting here. if we come back down into this area, I'm going to be paying attention to see if I should take a long or if it's going to snap back into this chop. If it even comes back here, it may just go to take London highs. Sorry if I'm like coughing in your guys' ear and shit, but I'm just sick. But yeah, once we're around this area, I'm gonna be watching it. But if we close under it, then I'm not gonna. We had buyers get absorbed up here, and we're pushing back into the top of this initial chop that we had. The 15-minute looks nasty right now, by the way. The POC is sitting all the way up here. Up here. Which is not good for longs. Well, it can always change. But I'm watching this area. The PSC changed. Still a minute left in the 15-minute candle. It's almost 100 points, Rocket. That's a banger. Hopefully I didn't just jinx it, my bad. We're bouncing a little bit, but I don't trust it to go back up yet. Or there's no entry for me to do it. I know I would like to take a long, low key, but it needs to make sense. Right now, the previous 15-minute candle is making me suspicious about this right now. I will say though, if we get back below this area and then we try and make a low and we fail again and we stay in this range, I'm just gonna stop trading. I'll just take my L and my break even and go chill. He said Drake dropped 3 albums last night. My time zone? I am in the West Coast. Pacific time. It's currently 7:30 a.m. in the morning. Alright, this is gonna be my last attempt here. I am gonna have to risk kind of a lot. This is gonna be nasty. This is gonna be such a nasty L if it happens. But I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try and go for London highs. And then if I get taken out, I will be down pretty decent amount for the day, like 150. And then I'll just call it. Sorry, Rocket, I know. I have to do it. Even if it results in the L. Ugh. Yeah, I faded the one and only Rocket. And he's probably gonna be right. And I'm gonna be wrong. But I gotta just do it. Oh. Is there music in the background? You guys can hear the music on the Discord or not? Is it playing it? Oh, it's just like some... Oh, zero music? Yeah, I know that YouTube can hear it. Oh. Elevator music. It's just some like 10-hour the music that's playing is like some 10-hour playlist of like lo-fi type of hip hop, like some hip hop beats that that don't have ads on it. So that's why I play it. I don't really listen to music. Like I actually can't even hear it right now. I don't like listening to it, honestly. Honestly, I turn it down. Well, it's not bad, but I have AirPods in right now and I'm listening to music. Bro pulled out the edgeful. Bro pulled out the edgeful stats. I love how when I enter trades, it just starts chopping. I'm watching the 15. I think if we can get a decent close on the 15-minute, my stop is basically where the 15-minute opened. So if it flips bearish, or the next candle comes down and just like takes it out, it is what it is. Choose is in from pretty low down there. He's in from like 310. At least that's what he said. Alright, here's a new 15-minute candle. Hopefully it doesn't slam all the way back down. Oh, it's not looking too hot right now. Alright, well, that will be all for me today. So, this account is dying. This account's dead. It's not dead. We could bring it back. But it's basically dead. So, I'll probably go back to trading my other accounts next week. We took, just a recap. This price action looks crazy. I tried to go short down here, hit me out, and then went down. I went short right here, went like 50 points in profit, smacked me out. Tried to go long up here. I'm pretty good at catching the wrong side at the very edge of the range. It's quite impressive, actually. So I'm down $150 using 1 micro. So I'm down 300 ticks on this account today. I had to put a bullshit stop loss. When the ATR is this large on this account, I try and get away with smaller stops. I really don't think it works. The stops just got to be where the stops got to be. It's just tough. When you have $500 and, you know, we have 50.5-minute candles, 1 micro takes like almost half of my fucking drawdown away, you know? So I try and get away with a smaller stop, but it doesn't work out. So this account is currently in the ER. It's on live support. The reason why I'm saying it's dead is because with the broker that Robbins Cup makes you use, the margins for 1 micro is $200. So, yeah. We might be able to make a comeback, but it's not looking too hot. But yeah, alright. I will catch you guys next week. L day today. Tough PA to trade for me. But we will come back next week and try to do a better job. Alright. Peace.